So if you guys want to see what the top of an Appalachian mountain looks like, I'll show you, and then I'll show you another cool thing about this view. This is the top of a mountain. We're walking along the ridge. We're going to go straight that way. On this side, see a few more mountains, and then the Tennessee Valley. Totally flat. And then on this side of the mountain is North Carolina. So this view has the Valley of Tennessee and the North Carolina mountains. And we're walking right down the center of it. Well, I've got a few more miles to do, and the sun's going down pretty fast, so I'm gonna get going.